Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
It was hot outside, but Morgan was inside playing with his snowstorm.
Soft, cool snow.
Oh, hello, Morgan. Oh, isn't it hot? Oh.
Have you ever seen snow, Lulu?
Yes, I have. It's white and it floats down in flakes like this. Flitter, 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 flitter.
Hello, Morgan.
Oh!
Oh, Lulu, what are you doing?
I'm a snowflake.
You don't look like a snowflake to me.
Well, I feel like one. Oh, what are all the veggies for, Amy?
Pumpkin soup.
Oh, but it's a bit hot for soup.
If it snowed, it wouldn't be too hot. Let's make a snow teddy.
Oh, Morgan, how can we make a snow teddy without any snow?
Well, this pumpkin would be great as a snow teddy's head.
And we could use a carrot for her nose.
But these are for my soup.
Oh, we could make soup later, Amy.
Come on, Amy. It'll be fun.
Come on, Amy. Come on, Morgan. Yes.
So the Teddies used the vegetables to make their snow teddy.
I think she needs a hat.
I know. Here you are, Snow Teddy. Look.
Yes. She looks just right.
Now all we need is snow.
Oh, never
I
mind.
wish it would snow.
Did you hear that, B1? I certainly did, B2. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's wish come true time.
That night, the bananas became very busy snowmakers.
Make very good snow, snowmaker one. Very, very good snow, snowmaker two. Where are you, snowmaker two?
Here, snowmaker one.
Where?
Here.
Ah, the snow's moving.
Oh, it's only me, snowmaker one. Now for snow teddy.
Yes.
Oh, nice snow, snowmaker one.
Very, very nice snow, snowmaker two. Falling everywhere. Look at you, B2.
Look at you, B1. Won't Morgan be surprised when he sees our snow?
Oh, he certainly will.
And when Morgan woke up the next morning, he couldn't believe his eyes.
Snow! It's been snowing! My wish came true! Amy, Lulu, wake up!
The Teddies raced out into the garden. Everything was white.
I love snow!
Me too.
Look! Snow Teddy is covered in snow too. Amy? Morgan? There are 1, 2, 3 Snow Teddies now.
But we only made one.
These 2 snow teddies look more like
Snow
bananas.
Someone made snow bananas.
What was that?
It sounded like laughing.
It's the bananas!
You trickers! You made the snow.
Yes, we did.
We wanted Morgan to know what it looked like.
Well, we're sorry it isn't real snow, Morgan, but we wanted you to have your wish.
Thank you, bananas. This snow is as much fun as real snow.
Yes.
Only not so cold.
So everyone played all day in the bananas snow. And later that night, they had pumpkin soup for dinner.